I recently read a comment online. This guy was frustrated. I'm sure if you're a content creator, you'll identify with this or you'll understand this. Here's the post. They say share your content on social media to help you grow, but for this one you got to film up and down, and for that one you got to film sideways, and it goes on and on. So basically, I think the OP here is frustrated because, when you set out to make videos for multiple platforms, YouTube wants widescreen, or if it's shorts, it wants tall. Instagram is square, and if you're on TikTok, it could be anything, right? So how do you do that? How do you film a video for all these different social media platforms without having to edit multiple videos? Guys, I have your answer. Stick with me for a minute. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So the secret here, guys, is to shoot everything in 4K, widescreen, 16:9. I know what you're thinking. Well, I want my video to be tall. I want my video to be square. Trust me, shoot everything 4K, 16:9. And here's why. So let's say you're shooting for a wide video, obviously 4K, 16:9. That's the way to go. That's what you want to do. So how are you going to make it so that that same wide video is going to work in a tall setting like a YouTube short or TikTok? Guys, there's a section. If you crop out 1/3 of your video, I'm in it right now. If you crop out 1/3 of your video, this is going to give you that 16:9. It's actually a little bit more resolution still than 1920 by 1080 because you're shooting in 4K. You got all that resolution still to work in there. So what you want to do is activate your grid lines. Most cameras, even my phone that I'm using right now, has these grid lines. Okay, so if you look on here, I'm going to show you an example. So there's the lines, and they're right about here. Shoot all of your content within 1/3 of your video. Okay, so it can be over here, it could be over here, it could be here, it could be anywhere in between. Just be conscious to shoot all of your content in the same 1/3 of your widescreen video, because when you crop it after, you're going to get a tall 1920 by 1080. Okay, it's actually going to be a little bit higher resolution than 1920 by 1080, so still plenty of resolution for all these social media platforms. So what if you want to talk about something that's a little bit off screen, though, a little bit to your side, something like this here? Well, this is a good time to do some editing, all right? So take some B-roll, make sure that everything you're talking about is inside the third of your screen, your focus area. All right, so that way you can shoot one video, edit it once, and post it anywhere, okay? I'm going to show you exactly with this video how it would look if I take this wide video and post it to different platforms. Check this out. So you guys, you can see when I go to upload it to YouTube as a YouTube short, I fit perfectly in the frame. So guys, using CapCut here, I'm just going to show you real quickly what happens to this video if you upload it in different aspect ratios. So let's say you want to upload it in a tall format. You can see perfect. If you want to upload it in square, you can see perfect. 4:3, perfect. 2:1 even, you can crop it out, perfect. Every single aspect ratio that you need to possibly shoot this in will be perfect if you just shoot in 4K, 16:9, widescreen, and focus all of your content on 1/3 of the screen. So that's my tip for today, guys. If this video was helpful to you in any way, let me know. Leave a like or a comment down below. Consider subscribing to the channel. I do videos like this all the time. And that's it. Until next time, take care. But what if you want to talk about something that's off screen, that's out of that 1/3 of your video, something like this right here?